Uncovering a new era in archaeology. Imagine having the ability to uncover a hidden city from the past, a city worn down by time and buried beneath layers of sand. Imagine the thrill of ancient roads and houses suddenly appearing before your eyes. Thanks to modern satellite imagery, discoveries like this are becoming increasingly common for archaeologists like Dr. Sarah Parcak. Using infrared images from cameras on NASA satellites, Parcak recently discovered 3,000 settlements, 1,000 tombs, and 17 lost pyramids in Egypt. "I couldn't believe we could locate so many sites all over Egypt," Parcak said. "To excavate a pyramid is the dream of every archaeologist." The satellites took the photographs while orbiting Earth, using cameras so powerful they can locate objects less than a meter in diameter. These cameras can distinguish between the thick mud brick that ancient Egyptians used to build their houses and the less dense soil surrounding them, making the dwellings appear clearly outlined on the desert floor. One of Parcak's most exciting moments was the discovery of a 3,000-year-old house in Tanis, a location made famous by the movie Raiders of the Lost Ark. Parcak believes that many more sites are yet to be found. These sites will still need to be physically located and uncovered by archaeologists in order to verify the satellite findings. Parcak hopes that such discoveries will attract young people to archaeology, and that these future archaeologists will continue to use modern technology in exciting new ways. "We have to think bigger now, and that is what the satellites allow us to do," says Parcak. Satellite technology offers possibilities beyond Parcak's Egyptian discoveries. History and literature are filled with fascinating accounts of lost cities. The Greek philosopher Plato wrote a powerful city called Atlantis that suddenly disappeared into the sea. Many believe Atlantis was a fictional city, yet others continue to scour the world while looking for it. The ancient city of Ubar, an important trading outpost in the Arabian desert, was rumored to have been lost forever after sinking into the sand. However, satellite images have recorded reddish streaks thought to be ancient paths leading to and from a location believed to be Ubar. Perhaps someday satellite cameras or even in more advanced technology will uncover lost cities we don't even know about yet. Now you're going to scroll down to your questions. You'll see another passage. You're going to turn past that passage. Ignore this one for now. Start on page 23. At the top it says, use Uncovering a New Era in Archaeology, page 19 and 20, to answer questions 18 to 21, then fill in the answers on your answer document. Question number 18. The author includes the description in paragraph 1 most likely to A. Illustrate the significance of what archaeologists hope to discover. G. Explain the tasks most commonly performed by archaeologists. H. Emphasize the difficulty archaeologists face when trying to locate ancient cities. J. Highlight the activities that take the most time for archaeologists to perform. Question number 19. In paragraph 5, the examples of lost cities suggest that a major role of an archaeologist is to A. Explain why real locations are mentioned in ancient literature. B. Locate written accounts of powerful cities that no longer exist. C. Create replicas of historical buildings based on satellite images. D. Find clues that provide a better understanding of the past. Number 20. In paragraph 3, the author uses the example of the 3,000-year-old house in Tanis to F. Prove that satellites are constantly taking photographs to locate ancient cities. G. Demonstrate that sites once thought to be fictional have been proved to exist. H. Emphasize that satellite photography is powerful enough to find a single building. J. Suggest that previously discovered sites may be much older than originally thought. Question number 21. Parcak hopes that the use of modern technology in archaeology will A. Inspire more young people to become archaeologists. B. Help archaeologists better understand previous discoveries. C. Lead to more archaeological discoveries being used in movies. D. One day allow archaeologists to find objects smaller than a meter in diameter. You're going to stop here now, turn in your work to your sub,